Hi everyone, and welcome to the Salmo Library's first Kids Summer Reading Club video. My name is Grace, and I'll be your coordinator throughout the summer. If you haven't already, make sure you join our private Facebook group. On there, we'll be posting updates, as well as the links to our Zoom meetings we'll be doing, as well as these YouTube videos. We're hoping that the Facebook group can be a place where parents can post pictures of the crafts their kids have made, as well as receive or give book suggestions, or any other fun summer things you guys want to post. As for these YouTube videos, I'll be posting weekly tutorials for the crafts you guys will receive in your activity bags. So I'm hoping that it'll be fun and easy for you guys. I know it's hard doing crafts alone, so hopefully these videos help. For this week, our first activity that you will have gotten in your activity bag for the grade kindergarten to grade 4 are these straw rockets, and then for grade 5 to 6, it'll be these fun UFOs. For the first straw rocket craft, what you will need are the materials you should have received in your activity bag. You will need 2 straws, one being bigger than the other one. You'll have your rocket template, and then you'll also need a little bit of tape. First things first, decorate your rocket any way you want. After you're done decorating it, cut it out, and let's flip it over. Grab your bigger straw and just fold the tip a little bit. You want it to be so that when you press it against the rocket, no air comes out. Grab your little bit of tape and tape the folded end to the back of the rocket, just like this. The back of your rocket should look something like that. Once you tape the back of the straw, you'll put the little straw through the bigger one, and then you're ready to blast off. For the grade 5 to 6's UFO Craft, what you're going to need is the paper plate you got in your activity bag, some markers, scissors or an X-Acto knife, and some tape or a stapler. So first thing you want to do is with this paper plate is cut along the line I made here with either scissors or an X-Acto knife, as long as you have help from a parent. So after you cut along that line, you should have something that looks a little bit like this, an opening right here. What you want to do before you start decorating is fold the edge of the paper plate over. I put a little bit of tape here, but I think that a stapler might just work better. Once that's taped down and folded, you can start decorating. I already made one and it looks a little like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful for anyone who is struggling with the craft. If you struggle in the future, just make sure to look up for these YouTube videos. I'll be posting them every Wednesday for every craft we do this summer. If you have any further questions that I don't cover in these videos, just make sure to message the Facebook page, and I'll respond as quick as possible. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys soon.